Morning, Shawnee, and welcome to the morning show. Today is Friday, November 14th, and it's day 4. I'm Seymour Krellborn.
And I am Audrey II.
Tui, I thought we talked about this. Aren't I supposed to do the hosting?
Tough luck. I make my own rules. Remember, who's the real boss around here?
Me?
Keep telling yourself that, punk. While we resolve his delusions, here's a segment interviewing students to find out who the funniest teacher is.
Hi everyone, I'm here today in subclass, and we're going to be getting the consensus from Shawnee to find out which teacher is the funniest. We want to know, which teacher do you think is the funniest?
Probably Prof.
Prof, that's a good answer. I love Prof.
Gotta give that to Mr. O'Keefe.
O'Keefe, that's a good answer.
Mr. Loeb. Mr. Loeb's just a funny guy. He's original. I love Mr. Loeb so much. He's such a go-to teacher.
We're trying to figure out which teachers students think are the funniest teachers at Shawnee.
Prof.
Prof, we heard someone else say that. It's actually his birthday today.
Yeah, I subbed for him.
Yeah.
Probably say Mr. Osmond.
Mr. Osmond's really funny. So over there, Luke thinks that you're the funniest teacher at Shawnee. Do you have any comment on that?
Who's Luke?
Luke Logan.
Luke Logan thinks I'm the funniest teacher here? I'm serious. It's not funny.
Definitely not Mr. Osmond, but there's lots of funny teachers. I think Mr. Pistone, probably.
That's a good answer. I agree, there are a lot of funny teachers.
Mr. O'Neill.
Mr. O'Neill, I love Mr. O'Neill.
Definitely one of the funniest.
Yeah.
The funniest thing I think is Ness's Media Pass. What do you think?
Yeah, that's pretty funny. Look at that yearbook photo. All right, we're trying to find out which teacher do you think is the funniest teacher at Shawnee?
Probably Mr. Oz.
Mr. Osmond, again? We've had a few people say him.
This is a waste of time. You should be out there getting me some food.
Tui, I have responsibilities to fulfill. Besides, your food is hard to get.
What? Are you squeamish, little boy?
No, just busy.
We'll sort this out. In the meantime, Shawnee TV had a workshop for the 8th grade and under. Let's see what they were up to.
Shawnee TV is running workshops for middle school students. It's mostly 8th grade and 6th grade. High school students are invited if anybody's interested. We still have 2 more sessions, so Tuesday nights in November. We had a great discussion our first night of what's important for audiences. Who might be watching the media and what might they want to see. So we put together a podcast style show so you can kind of see some of our podcasts in the background here. We have a set with 4 microphones and a podcast rig, and then we filmed with 2 people on each side where we were able to have a kind of like a talk show about what's going on around town in Medford and Medford Lakes. They did a really nice job with that one. We have a really cool studio set up at Shawnee, and it's free. Come and check it out whenever you're interested in working with camera, microphone. You have an idea, you want to promote something, you want to work on either music production, video production, photography, graphic design, motion graphics. Lots of things that are built into the broadcast industry, but it doesn't necessarily have to be broadcast industry related. Could just be for fun, could just be something you're curious about and you want to try out for one. And then, if you want to get a little bit more serious, we have great classes here. So creative digital media is a good class to take. If you want to learn a little bit about photography and also video production, getting interesting videos up to YouTube or Instagram, that's the upper classes that I teach. And Mr. Hockenberger is our photo upper class teacher, and he has a really cool studio photography and creative photography program. So, check that out. And we'd love to have people just walk right in the studio and work with us. We often have something interesting going on in here, so come on down.
Come on, Seymour, just a little snack. That camera person sure does look delicious.
No, I already told you. Besides, I'm busy. You can't just go around eating random people, though.
You have snacks all the time.
Yeah, non-living snacks.
Feed me, feed me, feed me!
No. Quick, let's look at the new Play It Forward Club before this thing gets any ideas.
I'm Jackson Hayes. I'm a junior here at Shawnee High School, and I just started Shawnee's newest club, Play It Forward.
Jackson Hayes was a student of mine freshman year,
and he came to me recently with this great idea. I think it's pretty cool because it originated from a project that we did in health class freshman year where I had the students pick a charitable organization where they would hypothetically raise money. And I clearly remember Jackson picking this organization, and I love that it's kind of coming to life here at Shawnee.
We plan on collecting donations here at Shawnee through donation bins, doing dine and donates to raise money, and all the donations are going to go to Level the Playing Field, and through them they're going to help distribute all of the equipment and money to less fortunate programs. Yeah.
We are starting up very soon. Our first meeting is going to be November 25th. And that's going to be in C103 at the first half of Lunch and Learn.
We're really just looking for anyone who's interested in supporting the cause and helping others. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me at 225-127 or go see Miss McGovern in C104.
They certainly look delicious, but no. Even though I'm starving, you won't give me even a single bite.
Look, Tui, we can't just... Ow! Tui, why'd you do that?
I had to make sure you'd give me that bite. Now, let's go to the tennis team. At least they're getting what they deserve.
What's up? I'm Mr. O'Keefe. I am here with senior captains.
Emma Chakowski and Sophie Coffer.
We had a very successful season this year. We were BCC Open Champs, Olympic Conference Champs, South Jersey Champs. We had the South Jersey Player of the Year, the doubles champions of South Jersey, and most importantly, we were sectional champions here, beating Mainland 5-0. So we are presenting this trophy to the school and Mr. Campbell.
Well, thank you very much, Coach. And I want to congratulate the girls on another amazing tennis season. And I do want to say Mr. O'Keefe had a great first year as a tennis coach. And I'm going to have the results of that last election check question because he is the funniest teacher in the building. So I want to congratulate the ladies again. Coach O'Keefe, great season. And back to you, Tui.
Okay, Krellborn, my patience has just about run out. Get me some food.
I can't.
Coward. Since he's sitting here idle, let's take a look behind the scenes of my very own home, Little Shop of Horrors. Trust me, it's going to be terrifying.
Describe Little Shop of Horrors in one word.
Plant.
Interesting.
Eventful.
Awesome.
Oh, this is kind of basic, but plant.
I'm sorry, Tui. I don't want you to be hungry.
Can't you see I'm starving? Feed me, feed me, feed me.
Let's look at a teacher spotlight from the Renaissance Club.
Feed me.
So we're your Renaissance Club, and we help funding your guys' our school recognition for students, and we're your officers. So we wanted to start with a Renegade recognition, which will be hosted every single Friday. We'll have Google Forms, which will be sent out to your class advisors and your English teachers, so you can look for a Google form that is going to be posted up there sometime soon. We would like to start the Renegade recognition by each giving a shout out to one of our teachers. So I wanted to give a shout out to Mr. Bear. I've had the opportunity of having Mr. Bear for 2 years now for both APUSH and AP Gov. And with the time I've had him, I've had so much fun and learned so much. So thank you, Mr. Bear.
I want to give a shout out to Miss Riddle, thanking her for the great Shawnee community she helps make.
I want to give a shout out to Miss Mataloni for always making the school environment a positive place.
And I want to give a shout out to Prof, whose birthday was yesterday, so happy belated birthday, and great jobs on the drums yesterday at the musical.
And I want to give a shout out to Miss Dietz for making her classroom such a positive place.
Feed me.
No.
Feed me.
I said no.
Feed me.
Fine. As soon as we're done here, I'll go get you some food. As many camera people as you want.
Finally,
He sees the light. Let's wrap this mother up. I'm Audrey II.
And I'm Seymour.
Come see Little Shop of Horrors tonight at 7 p.m., tomorrow at 2 p.m., or tomorrow at 7 p.m.